Hey, this is Andy from inkxpro.com. This video I'm going to show you how to fix bending problems for the refillable cartridges. I just did a nozzle check with this printer. You see there's a perfect nozzle check here. And when you have some bending with your print, you will see some breaks, even here, there. And so the nozzle check is not perfect. When you see this problem, and sometimes you can do print head cleaning to fix the problem, but sometimes you probably is take like a 2 to 3 head cleaning, still not you still see the breaks over there. We need to fix the problem manually, not based on the print head cleaning. Okay, let me show you how to do it right now. First, we need to check the cartridges, see if the cartridge empty or still has a lot of ink. You go to setup, ink level, cartridge replacement, and put your hands. Okay, we can open the scanner unit and take the cartridge out. This time, let's assume only the magenta having problem. You might have a problem with the other 3 colors, but today I'm going to show you the magenta. And look at the magenta, it doesn't have much ink over there, so we have to refill it. Okay, I'm going to do this. Use the syringe and needle and refill the cartridges. Fill it up. Close with the rubber plug and put it back into the printer. And now we're going to use the syringe. Get an empty syringe here, like this. We connect to the air vents of the cartridge. Here's air vents, and we connect it. No needle, just a syringe. And then we push air into the cartridge. You generate a pressure inside the cartridge, and the pressure will push the ink moving forward, then go to the printer head, which is push a lot of ink go to the printer head. Most of the case, the bending problem is because of there's some air gaps in the nozzle. So when you push the air into the nozzle, and it will soften the dry ink. You only do this for like hold it there for probably 10-15 seconds, then you remove it. And there's some waste ink go to the waste tank. You don't need to worry about that. And after push air into the cartridge, and just leave it there for about like 15 minutes. Let the ink do the work, and the fresh ink will soften the dry ink in the printer head. And after 15 minutes, you close the scanner unit, and the printer will start to check ink cartridges, and you might do the initialization. But this will not reset ink level. We only refill the cartridge, and the printer doesn't know how much ink there. So it still do the estimation. Let's see. Yeah, it still shows magenta is close to empty. It has a warning sign, triangle warning sign there. You don't need to do anything with you cannot do anything with the warning sign and the low ink warning. You have to wait. and the estimation will keep going down and until empty. It will give you another message that says cartridge cannot be recognized. At that time, you just need to open the scanner unit, take the cartridge out, refill the cartridge again until it's full, then put it back in, close the scanner unit, it will reset in the level. Alright, so yeah, wait for 10-15 minutes, then do a printhead cleaning, do a nozzle check. Alright, thanks for watching.